that balloon is just my dog that doesn't work anymore. It's gonna play on me. It's gonna flip over. Oh, it's already on. Bye bye. No pasa nada. Do this. I never thought you could do that. And it came with these things. I just saw a giant dog that I want to adopt. Well, anyway. It comes with this empty food box and this pet perfume that doesn't even have any, doesn't do anything, and this random toy and this milk that turns into dog food. And this hair dryer, which dogs don't usually use. And this phone. And these things to cut hair. Scissors. And this. I don't know what it's called. And it comes with this thing to walk home.